Hello and welcome to Technowin IT Infra Pvt Limited. In today's video, we'll explore the business process automation, BPA, streamlines and digitizes repetitive tasks, manual workflows, and document-driven operations. By using intelligent form generation, role-based workflows, and automated actions, organizations can reduce errors, save time, and ensure consistent execution of processes. This system empowers teams to build, customize, and manage complex workflows without coding, boosting productivity and transparency across departments. Begin by designing forms using the built-in form generator. Assign a form title, choose from a wide range of field types, specify data types, and apply necessary validations to define your metadata structure. You can also preview the form live in real time as you build it. Configure post-submission actions. Once a form is completed, set up specific actions that should be triggered next, such as submissions, approvals, rejections, escalations, notifications, etc. Build custom workflows using the workflow matrix. Create detailed, step-by-step workflows by linking forms and their configured actions to each stage of the process. Define hierarchy with role-based steps. Organize workflow steps in a hierarchical sequence by assigning specific roles to each stage, ensuring that the right users handle the right tasks. Create and manage multiple workflows. Set up various workflows tailored to different processes and assign them selectively based on use case, department, or document type. Here's an example of a simplified invoice workflow. Step 1. Enter invoice details. Step 2. Perform verification checks. Step 3. Record accounting entries. Step 4. Payment approval. Step 5. Final payment details. This structured workflow ensures each stage is handled by the appropriate role, promoting accuracy, accountability, and process transparency.
For more details, give us a call, send us an email, or visit our office. All the information is displayed on screen. You can also scan the QR code to visit our website.